Welcome back to Those Vegan Chefs. I'm Stefan, and this channel is dedicated to making you a better vegan cook. Today we're making the ultimate vegan breakfast sandwich featuring vegan scrambled egg, healthy, delicious, and easy. What? And of course our Italian sausage. It's so delicious, we're gonna jump into the video right now. The vegan scrambled egg all starts with our mung beans. Full of fiber, full of protein. All we have to do is soak them overnight and add them to the blender. Mung beans soaked overnight, rinsed, right into our high-speed blender of plant milk. This is how easy it is. Once they're soaked, we're literally done in like 3 minutes. This is the ingredient that I think separates our recipe from others. 3/4 of a teaspoon maple syrup. I feel like a real scrambled egg has this creaminess and sweetness to it, that the sweetness is there, but it's not like, oh, it's really sweet. There is a sweetness to it, and I think this helps round out the entire scramble. Now for our dry black salt, kosher salt, tapioca flour, onion powder, and turmeric. We put the lid on it, and then we blend it. And we're pureed. It's so easy, it is ridiculous. We're gonna add it to our bowl. Look how thick it is, it's beautiful. It's so easy, so fun. Before we get to cooking the vegan scrambled egg, let's go over just a couple tools we're gonna need to make our scrambled egg perfect. We need a ring mold that's about the same size as our English muffin. Our sausage patty is gonna be the same size. The other thing we need is we need a lid, because we're gonna cook the scrambled egg over low heat, and we're actually gonna cover it, and it's gonna enable it to steam and cook and set up perfectly. So we're gonna get started, medium low on our burner. We're gonna get the pan nice and warm. We're gonna actually place the ring mold in with the pan. We have our pan nice and warm. So I have the ring mold in, so the ring mold is also the same temperature as the pan, so that when the vegan egg goes in, it actually starts to cook and will not stick to the ring mold. Swish the oil around on the inside of the ring mold. A 1/2 cup egg. We're gonna cover. We're gonna cook for 2 minutes. We can see it's starting to set up on the sides. We're gonna use our spatula to just kind of gently unstick the bottom. We're gonna tilt the pan and spread the oil out. If it sticks, just use your spatula to run along the edge, because sometimes there's just like that one little spot. Okay, 2 spots. Plus the ring mold's hot, right? Woo! What's up? Give it a flip. Beautiful. Cover for another minute. It's all about that little bit of steam. Flip it. It's firm. I'm gonna pull it out. All right, we have the same pan, nice and hot. We have our spicy vegan Italian sausage that I added just a touch of maple syrup to. And we're gonna saute until it's a really beautiful, crispy golden brown. Gently flip the sausage patty. Oh, it's looking good. I love when we get that little crispy caramelization going on. We're gonna continue to cook the other side. Might add just a couple drops of oil to make sure that our patty doesn't kind of cook on the dry pan and start burning and charring. We want it to actually fry a little bit and continue to be crispy. These are done. We're gonna put them on our cutting board until we're ready to do our final steps. Okay, we still have our pan nice and hot. It's rolling right along. We're gonna put our whole wheat vegan English muffin in the pan. I'm gonna turn up the heat just a little bit. We're gonna place a slice of our favorite cheese on top. This is Follow Your Heart, which I really like. I'm gonna put it right in the center of the pan. We're gonna place our lid on top. We're gonna add just a touch of water, and it's gonna steam the cheese. It doesn't take very long for the cheese to melt. That looks perfect. We're gonna just set our English muffin right here. And we're gonna set our egg back in the pan, and now we're gonna build our sausage McMuffin. The breakfast vegan sausage sandwich turned out amazing. I love the fact that our spicy vegan Italian sausage is turning out to be so versatile. It's in like 3 recipes right now. We have a scrambled egg that's healthy, delicious, full of fiber, all of the good things, right? So that's enough talking, and it's time for me to take a massive bite. Do you know how hard it was to not take 2 bites? Oh my God, it was so hard. The egg turned out amazing. It has a wonderful texture, has that little bit of bite. The black salt brings out all of the sulfur qualities of the egg. It's really delicious. All the notes are singing nice and bright. And I think you need to make this breakfast sausage sandwich as soon as possible. So get to it. Let me know how it goes. And of course, I'll see you next week. Bye.